Hi, I'm Mike, and today we're going to learn how to play Santeria by Sublime. So let's get started. It starts out on a That's basically the chord progression for most of the song. In the intro. So the intro starts out with this E chord right here. You're going to bar on the 7th fret with your first finger, and then you're going to lay your 3rd finger across these three strings. And initially, you're going to pick it a little slowly like this. And then you're going to move up to this G sharp chord, where you're going to bar the 4th fret. You're going to lay your 3rd finger here on the 6th fret, your pinky finger on the 6th fret on the D string, and then you're going to put your 2nd finger on the G string on the 5th fret. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to go. Then you're going to move this part of the chord up 1 string, just like this. So you're on the 6th fret with both of these fingers and the 5th fret on the B string here. Then you're going to move back down here to the 7th fret with a bar. 2nd finger on the G string on the 8th fret. Then these 2 fingers are going to be on the 9th fret of the A and the D string. Okay, so that's basically the chords for the verses of the song. It goes. Then you just do what they call skanking in reggae. You're just gonna go. So it's those same 4 chords. And that's going to be the for the chorus. Okay, so you're going to go up to an A chord. You're going to bar the 5th fret. You're going to put your 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your pinky on the D string on the 7th fret. And then your middle finger is going to go on the G string right there. And then you're just going to up pick the strings real slowly. So you can do that with the A chord. You're going to slide it all up 2 frets to the 7th fret. Then you're going to go back to that E chord from the beginning. And then you're going to slide it down 1 fret to the 6th and the 8th fret, but you're going to go back to that other pattern here. So you're going to bar the 6th fret, put your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string, your pinky on the G string of the 8th fret, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the B string down here on the 7th fret. You're going to go. So it's going to go. So it goes. Then you go back into the original, the verse part. And that's the outro to it. There's a part at the very end that is a little different. It's the same chords, but it's a little different. So you do your E chord, slide down to that E flat, slide down to your G sharp, okay? And you go back down to this B, back down to the A, then back to the B, and then it hits this E chord in the end here. It's a little different. Make sure you get all those strings ringing. To play that one, you're going to take your third finger, you're going to put it on the 7th fret of the A string. Your middle finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the D string. Your pinky's going to go down here on the G string on the 7th fret. And then your first finger is going to go on the 5th fret of the B string here. Okay? So it goes. All right, and practice them real slow. That chord's a little hard to throw your fingers on in the beginning, but it'll come up in some more songs in the future. It will. So hope you liked it. If you would, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hope this helps you become a better guitar player. This is a great beginner song. Thank you.